Hi, this is Sheldon here from the Currency Advisory Desk with today's report. Well, the dollar index is at 80.14, which is marginally down by 0.09 percentage points. Now, on the domestic front, the dollar is rising due to the parliamentary deadlock. However, we expect the dollar to give up some gains on back of positive outcome of the meetings between IMF and finance ministers of the European countries. Traders can short sell the dollar-rupee pair at around 55.80 levels with a stop loss of around 55.90 to 55.95. We see 55.90 as a very immediate and strong resistance from which the dollar has retreated in the past few trading sessions. We advise our traders to maintain a strict stop loss on all short positions as we are witnessing dollar demand by Indian oil importers also. Moving back to the Eurozone, the markets worldwide opened stronger this morning on the back of the deal that has been worked out in favor of Greece between the IMF and the Eurozone finance ministers. Under this deal, Greece will receive around 34.4 billion euros along with a reduction of around 40 billion euros in debt. Now, the euro rallied to an intra-month high of around 1.3010 against the dollar, that is, the euro rallied. However, it could not sustain this momentum and is back at 1.2984. We see that there's a very strong resistance at 1.3030 in the euro-dollar pair. We expect the euro to move lower to around 1.2950 intraday against the US dollar. In rupee terms also, the euro looks weak, but we expect the downside to be limited if the dollar shows some strength due to the cross-relationship pair. Now, we have the British revised GDP quarter-on-quarter figure, which will be released later this evening. Now, if we get a reading of greater than 1%, which is what analysts are expecting, we can see the pound strengthen back to around 1.61 against the US dollar. In rupee terms, we expect some consolidation in the pound-rupee pair. However, this will be closely in line with the reported GDP figure. The yen has weakened further to 82.17 against the US dollar due to the present political uncertainty that's presiding in Japan. The yen is tracking the US bond yields, and falling yields are helping the dollar to strengthen against the yen. Let's look at the technicals for today. Well, the dollar has a very strong support of around 55.19 in the spot market and an immediate resistance of around 55.90. For the rupee, for the euro rupee, the strong support is at around 71.21 and the resistance at around 72.03. For the pound, there is a support at around 88.43 and a resistance at around 89.50. And for the yen, there is a very strong support at around 67 levels and a resistance at around 67.84. Now, if it breaks around 67.63, then we can probably enter into long positions in the yen rupee pair. Well, that's it for today. Thank you.